is talent acquisition today? Talent acquisition is made up of two words, that is talent and acquisition. And as we understand, talent is something that is a certain set of skills which is useful on the job. Fine. So it's like saying that I go to a hill station and I hire a cab to reach the locations. Now, hill station, I understand, I need to drive on high slopes. There's a certain skill set that is required to drive on those high slopes as compared to normal roads which are flat and you move along at a longer distance. So there is a need of a talented driver on the hill stations. Again, I come to the point of acquisition. Acquisition is like acquiring it. So how do I acquire a cab driver on a hill station? So we have an understanding of talent acquisition, that is identifying and acquiring the right candidates for the job that is at hand. Now, is it that simple? Should we simply call it recruitment selection and say, why should I use the terms talent acquisition? See, try to understand from this angle. Talent acquisition requires a number of things. One, you need to identify people who are suitable for your jobs. How will you identify them? Why should anybody come over and tell you that, look, I know this particular job I can do is better than others? Until and unless I approach the market and tell them who we are and what we require. Right? So there is a value proposition coming from the employer too, and hence people will be interested. So this means a lot of advertising is required, a lot of marketing of the company is required, which means a lot of employer branding is required as part of talent acquisition. The next step that we talk about is, that is recruiting. So next, what we are interested in is a pool of candidates who are somewhat suitable for the job. That is, they have got minimum qualifications to do the appropriate job. So I need to attract people first, and then I have to collect them together as a pool from where I will start filtering people further, that is selection process. So I then go ahead with the selection process so that I can shortlist final candidates for the job, and ultimately I hire them, I give them the offer letters, I go ahead with the onboarding process. So all in all, talent acquisition is involving employer branding, recruitment, selection, hiring. And then is it so that we are hiring only once, or we just go ahead with the recruitment process only once? No, because people come and go and the company is likely to be there for many years. You hear about 100 years old company, 200 years old company, which means imagine how many people, thousands of people must have joined and left the organization for whatever reasons. So people will come and go, and hence this acquiring process is something that is working continuously. It does not end, and I have to keep on updating myself for it. I have to align it with the business strategy that my organization is following. So we understand that talent acquisition encompasses employer branding, recruitment, selection, and candidate relationship too. Happy learning.